What is good, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Carrie. If you're new here, please make sure you hit that red subscribe button, turn on post notifications so you don't miss anything when I upload. If you ain't new, welcome back, boo. Let's go ahead and get it popping. So really quick, shout out to Niawigs for sending your girl over another unit to review for you guys today. If you haven't already seen, I did multiple units for them. Check it out. It will be listed down below. So today's unit is going to be their curly 13x6 lace front wig. I have it in a 14-inch natural black cap size medium, 130% density. It does come with an adjustable elastic band which you can attach or detach from the wig. We did get a brush with it, and of course that instruction booklet that you see me pull out a little bit earlier. Now the curls out of the pack, very pretty, very juicy. I have reviewed this unit in different closure styles before, the 5x5 and the curly headband wig. So if you want to see that, definitely check it out. This unit does come with the sewed in pieces for the elastic band to attach to, a comb on each side, one in the back and at the nape area, and the 13x6 parting space, y'all. So we got options today. What I did to prep the hair was I just washed it with some Suave shampoo and conditioner, and this is how it came out. Didn't put any curling products in it. Super pretty already. It does have a little bit of dampness to it, y'all, but overall it's a very pretty, juicy, curly unit, y'all. Y'all seen this texture already because, like I said, I did review this texture with two different type of closures on this unit from them already. Now I went ahead and I tinted the lace with my even tint spray in the color medium dark brown, which I didn't really feel like it needed because the lace was not really that light. So I don't know why I did it. I think it's just by habit. Now what I'm doing to style the unit is I'm going in with my Aussie Freeze spray, and I like the spray because it dries really quick, y'all. You don't really have to use a blow dryer with it, in my opinion. You kind of just spray it on the lace, lay it down with your elastic band, and by the time you finish styling it and all of that, it'll be laid down and plush, y'all. You know, it was early in the morning, school time. My niece was doing her online schooling, so this was the best option for me without using a blow dryer. Now I'm going in with my LA Colors powder just to clean up the parting space a little bit, open it up a little bit. I did go in and put it in the hairline area just to kind of blend it to my skin a little bit. I will go in a little bit later and just kind of pluck that parting space, being that it is a 13x6. You're kind of making your own part. You want to open it up and customize it to the way you want it to be. You know what I mean? So that's what you see me doing right here. I just had to get all that little crusties and stuff off. You know how it goes when you go ahead and put that Aussie and the Got2b glue spray and all of that good stuff. Anyways, I'm laying her flat and just styling her like I usually do. Nothing too special. You know I'm a lazy wig wearer. So the easiest way to go is what I'm going to go with. And now I'm just trying to add some more definition back into her with the mousse, because I did let a lot of it out just by playing with her and kind of messing in the hair a bit. Now, being that she's a 13x6, like I said, you can kind of part her anywhere. Middle, side, part, a little bit more on the side, a little bit more on the side, come back to the middle, switch it back up. You do have some versatility with the 13x6, and you do get a deep parting space because it goes back by 6 inches. So cool with that. So I'm gonna go in and make me some little bit of baby hairs with my Got2b glue gel. This is the favorite way to do it, y'all, because it's gonna sit nicely. And I really like how baby hairs look when you use like a curly kind of hair pattern and stuff like that. It's gonna be real cute at the end. Just watch. Now this is what the hair looks like after I finish styling the unit. I'm gonna show you it from all sides so you can kind of get an idea of what she looks like. She is very juicy, very bouncy, very curly from the top to bottom. I will have to say that this unit is very full. It didn't shock me though, because all of the units that I have used from them have been good quality. I haven't had any complaints with their unit so far yet. But this is what she would look like if you wanted to style her in the middle, which I think was kind of fly, y'all. I actually did this after the video just to show you what she would look like in the middle, and I was like, dang, I should have did this from the beginning and kind of just went with this. But whatever, okay? Because in the video I actually styled her as the side part, which we're going to switch back to, so you could kind of see what she looked like when I got finished styling her initially. And this is how she looks. Super, super pretty. But I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys know my little bit of thoughts on this unit, give you a quick review, and let you know how I feel. All right, y'all, so giving you guys a close-up of the texture so you can see these pretty juicy curls, y'all. Very pretty. The hair is actually very soft to the touch as well. I didn't get any shedding or any tangling with this unit. When I washed it, it was very, very minimum. Not surprised at all. Like I said, the density is at 130 density, and it is very full. The curls definitely give it the appearance of having more hair than it actually does as well, but it's lightweight. It's not too heavy, and it doesn't feel crazy either. I am a 22.5 circumference size head. head. And again, this is a medium cap size and it fit me good, and I still have space. You can see it moving in the back. As far as the lace, it looks really good. Like I said, I don't think I needed to tint it, but it looks really great against my skin. It did melt good, especially from me not using any heat with it too. And it does claim to have a pre-plucked hairline. I would say they did pluck the hairline a little bit, but they definitely could have went in just a smidge bit more and we would have been right on point. But I could always go in and do it myself too if I wanted to. Overall, I'm gonna have to say that this unit is absolutely gorgeous, y'all. She is super pretty to the touch. She can be a plop and go, especially if you go with the elastic band, being that she is detachable. You probably won't have any problems with that. Or once you style her the first time, she should be a plop and go every time after that. That's how I see it with this unit. Out of the 5x5 version of this unit and the headband wig version of this unit, I would have to say this one is my favorite, and I think it's because she's a 13x6, so you get more hairline on the lace in the front area, so it gives it more of a natural appearance. You get to show a little bit more hairline, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, she's absolutely gorgeous, y'all. If you're interested in the color context that I'm wearing today, it's the Aquaman Blue from TTDI. Promo code is carried to save you a little coin. But I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video on up with my little cute self, okay? Because this wig is cute. It got me feeling real cute. Let me know what you think about this unit down in the comment section below. If you haven't already, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Later.
I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, babe.